Welcome, shoe enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to share my latest find, a pair of authentic Nike shoes ordered from the official Nike shop on Lazada. Join me as we explore the unbeatable style and performance that comes with every Nike purchase, especially when it's straight from the trusted source on Lazada. Opening the package, you can immediately sense the quality, the iconic Nike swoosh, a symbol of excellence in sportswear. These shoes are a testament to the authenticity and genuine craftsmanship that Nike is renowned for. Slipping them on, the comfort is unmatched. The precision in design ensures a snug fit, providing the perfect balance between style and functionality. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply making a fashion statement, these Nike shoes from Lazada have got you covered. What sets these apart is not just their style, but the assurance that they are the real deal, coming directly from the official Nike store on Lazada. No compromises on authenticity, only the finest Nike quality delivered conveniently to your doorstep. Lazada, being a reliable platform, ensures a seamless shopping experience. The process was smooth. From placing the order to receiving this sleek Nike package, it's the convenience of online shopping combined with the trustworthiness of the Nike brand. So, if you're looking to elevate your footwear game with genuine Nike kicks, head over to Lazada and explore the diverse collection available at the official Nike shop. Unleash your style, embrace the comfort, and step into authenticity with Nike shoes from Lazada.